Recycling and reusing references. In this video, you will learn about the term backlinking and its ocean of uses. The backlink feature allows you to reuse any references that you have added or made in typed. And by references, they don't always have to be the types of references I've mentioned in the previous videos. As a matter of fact, your own documentation can become a reference for your new work. The reusage of references start from the tabs of the document library. Use a magnifying glass button to search for previous references and documents in the space and add them to the current library of the current document. But obviously, you can't remember the title of all the references and documents you've made. For those cases, use the All tab to access all the documents and references within the space except this current document. The All tab will default to the current project and the current group, as you can see here. To look for documents and references in other groups, click on All Groups and select the group where the document or reference you're searching for is located, and once you have found it, hover over it and press the button that appears, Add to Current Library. The action I've just done is called backlinking. There is now a backlink between the reference I added and this document, and if those references are used in more than one document, an icon will appear that displays all the other documents this specific reference has been backlinked by. To check whether this document has been backlinked, move your cursor to the top right corner and click on the arrow icon to display whether this current document has been used as a reference. The visualization of these backlinks are actually possible in typed. Note, this is only possible on a project level. Head to a project page, any project page, move your cursor to the bottom left and click on Network Mode. This will enable you to view your document and references of the project in a single view. A network of knowledge, eponymously named the Knowledge Network. In this knowledge network, you'll be able to see the connections between each document and reference. Why is that important? Well, it serves the basis for the next feature, recommendation. Using these so-called connections from the knowledge network, when you create a document in typed from an existing document, type will recognize the backlinks of the document and automatically recommend references to you that you may find useful. These can be added to the documents library, thus creating a backlink. That was an explanation video about type's unique philosophical features, backlink, knowledge network, and recommendation, to help us recycle precious information that otherwise could or would have been wasted. This is the end of all the tutorials. The next video is an awareness video. See you there.